The Energy Wise attic insulation cover after owning it for about 2 years. So we purchased this from Amazon when we noticed our daughter's room, absorbing the temperature from whatever extreme weather we were having that day. So if it was extremely hot out, we found that her room was very hot and it would not cool down, and vice versa for winter, cold winter days. So we decided to purchase this to give it a shot, and I gotta say this thing made a huge difference in retaining the temperature in her room, or should I say regulating the temperature in her room. So install on this thing was very easy. I just used my staple gun for this. If you don't have a staple gun, I highly recommend purchasing one from either Home Depot or Amazon or wherever you can find a good one. Staples are very cheap too. So you just run the staples all through the edge over here, all around, just so that way it can stick and not move around. You can see this is very solid, really thick insulation on this, really good material. And if you need to get to your attic, you just open this up. The zipper is made out of good high quality materials as well. Open, unzip that all the way back, and you have access to your attic. Very easy, and again, it works very well to regulate the temperature if you have poor insulation wherever your attic door or attic cover is at. So if you're looking for an insulation cover, I highly recommend the Energy Wise one.
I'll use this double-sided duct tape and a staple gun. First, open the attic cover to determine how it will fit in your